There we have a one balloon. This is a purple ram. It's really nice, and I am going to show you how to make this. So grab your bag of balloons, and let's jump into the video. Zoomalata here. We're going to make a yellow ram now. And so get yourself a 260 and blow it up most of the way. There we go. Leave ourselves a little bit of tail on there so that if we need it, we can use it. Tie it off. And the first part, you're basically going to do a dog head with short ears. So we're going to do a nose. And we're going to do two small, they're about 2-inch bubbles there. And this is so easy, and I cannot believe that I haven't done this at all in all the years that I've been twisting balloons. It's a little tight here, so I'm going to give it a squeeze and we'll give it a stretch. Now we're going to do 2 loop twists, and I'm going to do it about that size. Practice will help you learn what size, how big to do it. We're going to do one more just like it. Size that up. There we go. Wrap that in there. We'll have something kind of like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these loops and we're going to stuff this ear in here and this in here. And that'll make our horns that go around. How fun is that? That is so fun. And it's like that. Look at that. So now all we have to do is make a body, and basically we're going to do what we do when we make a dog. On this one, I made it a little bit big because I had a long balloon. I'll give it a squeeze. I'm gonna make a couple lock twists here. One. I'll do a smaller body on this one. And there we go. We have a cute little yellow ram. Look at that. Is that not cute? I love this design. I am definitely adding this to my balloon menu so that other people can learn how to do this. All right. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, please put them down below. If you have a balloon you want me to try, put that down below as well. All right. And I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye. Purple ram, purple ram. Okay, never mind.